So I'm turning on the camera today because I just got back from work a few hours ago. I've been working the last 5 days in a row this week. It's kind of intense training for a new job that I'm getting over the summer. But I decided to make a video because we have to get a video out for this week, number one. And number two, last week we actually reached a new milestone. So I'm very happy about that. And I'm going to show you guys proof of that in just a second here, but I want you guys to stick around for this video for a little bit because I do have some news to share, and I just kind of wanted to talk to you guys. I kind of want to get to know you guys more. We are at 133 subscribers at the moment. 133 people is a lot of people. That's more people that can probably fit in my house. So it would be awesome if I could just get to know some of y'all. But I mean, you guys already know me. I'm Tyler. Um, I'm in college, but I'm at my grandparents' house at the moment. I'm in their basement right now, actually. That's why you see a bunch of boxes and stuff. The biggest thing you got to know about me is that I'm very, very ambitious and passionate. I've always been very passionate about entrepreneurship. I've always been very ambitious, wanted, a nice lifestyle, huge house, nice cars, happy family. I've always wanted to just be able to pay for anything without even having to pay any mind to it. A lot of people think that I'm obsessed with money and that I love money. The truth is, I hate money. I don't like money. And the only way to really not have to even think about money is if you have tons of it. That's just the world that we live in. So, you know, obviously I try my best to hone my skills and just get better at every single thing that I do so that I can eventually make money on autopilot and just have it keep stacking up higher and higher. And I have been doing that for the last, I want to say 5 years. For the last 5 years, my income has steadily been increasing, and it's going at kind of an exponential rate. So I'm really just hoping that by the end of this year, I'm able to just kill it these last 6 months. But, you know, that's enough about me. I kind of want to hear more about you guys. If you're still watching this video to this point, a lot of people click off in the first minute. But if you're still watching to this point, just let me know in the comments or DM me. What's your situation like? What keeps you going every day? Where do you hope to be in 5 years, 10 years? Do you like money? Do you think money can buy you happiness? I think money can buy you happiness. But to me, it just depends on how you make that money. Um, and well, yeah, I mean, it really just depends on how you make that money. If you make it in a bad way, then every time you think about the money that you've gotten and the things that you've bought, you're not going to be happy because you're going to have guilt on your conscience. So that's why it's important that you make money the right way. Don't get out here and start reselling fakes to people without telling them that they're fake. I used to do it. It's not fun. Don't do stuff like that. Be ethical. But it's also a balance. Just remember that too much of anything is bad. So being too ethical, being too nice is possible. And it's something that I have fallen victim to on my store currently. My store would probably be at 50K right now if I wasn't so nice. Sometimes I bump my prices down more than they should be. Sometimes I give discounts on things that I shouldn't give a discount for. But that's all things that you guys can easily avoid and that I would love to help you guys avoid. So make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I am going to just continue to tell you guys what's worked for me, what hasn't worked for me so that you can learn. And I also mentor people who use my affiliate link to start their store. It's completely free if you just use that link to sign up and let me know, hey, Tyler, I used your link. Can you help me? And I'll help you out. And then if you don't want to start for free, like you want to start with a huge head start, then you are always welcome to join my Discord server. I do have a premium Discord with about 15 members in it at the moment. You do get to schedule one-on-one calls with me every month so we can go over your business together. It's very hands-on. But now that we're 5 minutes into the video, I want to go ahead and just show proof. I did get a comment on my last video where somebody was kind of just like, has he ever even shown proof that he's made this money that he's talking about? Because I just see screenshots in all the videos. And I get comments like that all the time. It doesn't really bother me that much. Like I said about the money buying happiness thing, it would bother me if I was really lying to y'all, but I'm not. So it doesn't bother me when somebody says, hey, are you actually making money? Like, how has this been? Blah, 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 blah. And see here. And I'm also going to flip it. Can you guys see that? It should focus. There it is. I think you guys can see that. So there it is. That is the 40,000 in sales. That is my revenue in the first year of my store being open. And then gross sales is how much my store would be at right now if I didn't have any returns. So I have had to return for full refund for certain things. Now you guys probably want me to like move this around to make sure it's not on my camera roll or anything. This is the Shopify app. Okay. This is the Shopify app. Like if I press like any of these, like it's gonna do that. So this is the actual Shopify app. But yeah, so that is that number right there. My store is at 40,881 sales now. The last video it was at 39,000 something. So we made a sale for about almost $1,200. I'm very excited about that because we were in a bit of a drought. But I'm going to start posting videos even when we're in a drought because I want to show you guys the reality of being a business owner. Like I could literally make no money this month and I just wouldn't know. Like I would have no way of knowing if I'm going to make money this month or not. It's really risk. Like it's a risk. Like you're just taking a risk. It's like gambling, so, but you got to get used to taking that risk. You can't be stressed out by it. You can't be scared away from it. Scared money don't make no money. That's what they say. You feel me? But that's all I got to say in this video. It's not gonna be a lot of editing. I made it kind of short so you guys can just watch it, get through it without any issues. Remember that you guys are the grinders. That is our community name. We are the grinders. And I can't wait to catch you guys in the next one. Keep grinding.